Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2016 Honda Fit. Start out by removing this window control unit and using a plastic pry tool. We're going to pry out on the front of it. There's a little notch that's cut out in the window control unit. Just get it between there and pry up on it. And unplug this by pushing on the tab and pulling out. And behind there is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. And also take out the Phillips screw behind the interior door handle. Next, you're going to want to grab a hold of the upper left-hand corner of the door panel and just pull directly out. And that's it guys, door panel's off. Thanks for watching.